I'll be doing my skincare while making this content. Hello to my skincare lovers. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Acwell 5.5 cleansing toner. And if you're still skeptical if this is what you need in your skincare routine, I'll be sharing all that, including my experience and how to use it for effective results. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Elo. I'm a mom of 3 in her 20. I'm passionate about skincare. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I would love you to join my skincare community by clicking on the red subscribe button. Also, remember to turn on your notification bell as this will get you notified once I drop a content. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you for coming back to watch yet another content from me. Before I go ahead to review this product, I'll first want to throw more light what toner is all about. Toners are water-based products that helps to target your specific issue. It could be your hyperpigmentation, your acne, whatever it is. That's what toner does. And another good thing about toner is that it preps your skin and allows acid to work. Acid like your vitamin C, your niacinamide, and the rest to work. So if you have not added toner to your skincare routine, trust me, this is a sign that you need a toner. But I know you'll be wondering, is Acwell 5.5 cleansing toner, is it what I need? Well, you will find out at the end of this video. First, guys, when I got this product, it was actually well packaged, like it came in a cellophane, all wrapped up, so there was no leakage. And this product is lightweight. When you shake it, it forms. So you need this type of cotton wool. The mistake I made was when I started using it, this is the type of local cotton wool I got. I noticed that it will all soak the product if I even started using it. So you just pour and in a circular motion when your face is still damp. I'm just going to, oh my god, I can't even know how. I'm just going to like cleanse my skin with it. So I'll first want to let you know, guys, the active ingredients used in this formulation that even made me, when I researched about the product, that even made me to order the product. So guys, this product is formulated with 4 active ingredients, which is tocopherol acetate, which is vitamin E. Then it's also formulated with citric acid, licorice extract, and glycerin. So the tocopherol acetate, which is vitamin E, will help to fight free radical like environmental damage like your sunlight and aging, and also brightens the skin. Like I said, is the highest form of vitamin E. The citric acid is a gentle exfoliant derived from vitamins. It's also gentle and it brightens the skin. The licorice extract is a skin brightening agent. It helps to lighten up the skin, fight hyperpigmentation, sunspots, and melasma, especially like me. If you're someone like me that just put to bed and you're struggling with melasma, I promise you this is the right toner you should be getting. The glycerin acts as a humectant. It acts as a humectant to prevent moisture loss. So what you have to know is that this is actually highly hydrating on the skin. So guys, let's talk about the fragrance. The fragrance is nature derived. It smells like lemon, lime, you know, the back of lemon lime. I was kind of skeptical about applying it, but guys, you know, when I applied it, it gave me the smoothing effect and it also cleanses my skin. The amount of dead skin cell that tripped out of my skin, because this is the first toner I'm using after giving birth. I left skincare about when I was 7 months pregnant. That was when I stopped doing anything. Like I literally go inside the bedroom, bathe, apply my sunscreen, and I leave the house. Or most times I don't even apply my sunscreen or reapply it. So when I use this product, the amount of dead skin cell that came out of this, it was I cannot even explain. I'm not like, is this what I've been crying on my face? But as I started using it often, I use it 2 times a day, in the morning and the night. The dead skin cell reduced and gave me more even skin, and of course allowed my vitamin C to work better. So I'm just going to make sure that the toner has absorbed into my skin, because while applying vitamin C, you don't need to apply it on a damp skin. So I'm just going to allow it to penetrate, then I apply my vitamin C. So I know you'll be wondering, is this cleanser for me? I told you this cleanser is very smoothing. It's a treatment cleanser that treats hyperpigmentation, and at the same time it is very smoothing. So if you have sensitive skin, trust me, this will work for you. Or and it is also recommended for all skin types. So if you're someone that has oily skin, normal skin combination, it is even going to help you to balance your skin type. So this toner, I would say, is very amazing, and of course this is the best toner I've ever used. I know a lot of people run away from toner, and trust me, the good thing about this toner, even for someone that has sensitive skin, it is not formulated with any form of aspirants like alcohol and the rest. It is very gentle on the skin, and for all skin type and tone. So even if you have dark skin, this will work for you. When we talk about brightening products, I've said about it in my channel. I'm supposed not to say this, but I feel like, educating you guys over again. Brightening product is very good for all skin type, all skin tone. So even if you are dark, trust me, this product will not. When we talk about brightening, don't think that you will go from one shade. It will only treat your imperfection on your skin and give you an amazing result. So after cleansing your skin with this product, you're going to go ahead with your vitamin C. So basically this product, I'm going to tell you guys my experience with this product. So after cleansing your skin, like I told you, it allows your active, like your vitamin C, to work. Okay, when I'm done with this and I make sure my skin has dried up, I'm going to go with my vitamin C serum. I'll just apply it, of course, on my face, which will also help to treat my hyperpigmentation. I'm also going to, I will not forget my neck and my chest area as well. I wish I could see myself doing this, but I hope I'm just doing it at the right direction. I hope the serum I applied is okay. So of course you apply your vitamin C, and when you are done applying your vitamin C, the next is your essence. Okay, let me educate you about this vitamin C. About vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant. It helps with hyperpigmentation, strengthens the skin barrier, and brightens your skin, and also works well with sunscreen, especially if you are treating hyperpigmentation. I dropped a video, a short actually, where I showed you using vitamin C and sunscreen. I talked more about it, so you can also watch the short. So the next, I'm just going to go with my essence. I don't know why I don't like applying this much. I wish I can see myself doing this. Okay, because I like to do my skincare with a mirror. So I'm just going to apply my essence. And when I apply my essence, now that I've done my skin, to allow all this my allow the active and essence to work better, giving me a glass skin. And I felt this licorice is what I need. So if you have a dry skin, trust me, this is a product you should be getting. It hydrates the skin and at the same time brightens the skin and helps with your melasma. While treating hyperpigmentation, even as much as I'm talking about it does that, you should not think that this thing will magically treat all your hyperpigmentation in one day. Just be consistent and take it one step at a time. So now I'm done with my essence. The next thing is to moisturize my face. And the moisturizer I'll be using is my product. I've been long I made my skincare products. But yeah, skin revive product for my hyperpigmentation. This is the product I'm using at the moment. So I'm just going to moisturize my skin. And the next, I go with my sunscreen. you know it's good to apply your sunscreen on a dry skin. So I'm just going to allow this moisturizers to stay a little bit before I go ahead with my sunscreen. And also remember, you use sunscreen only during the day. Don't use it during the night time. So this is basically what I'm going to do next. I'm just going to apply my sunscreen. So overall, I'm going to rate this toner 9 over 10 because it gave me the smoothing, hydrating effect, and it's very, very gentle on my skin. I use this product 2 times a day and it is worth the price. Am I still going to purchase this toner? Honestly, I'm going to purchase it, but I'm a skincare jockey. I love to try other products, but definitely I'm rating this 9 over 10. And if you have any other toner that is for all skin type that you want me to review, let me know on the comment section. But guys, I would trust me, this is very, very good, especially if you're treating hyperpigmentation. But before I end this video, I would like you to know that if you have acne, you should treat your acne first before jumping to treat hyperpigmentation. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please kindly let me know in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, and if you have any question for me, drop it down there. I'll be down there reading all your comments. So we see you next time. Don't forget to drink your water, eat your fruit and vegetable, subscribe, like, and share. Bye.